Good morning, my dear students. Today I'm going to teach you English grammar. Today we are going to study paragraph writing. How to write a paragraph. You might have learned it from class 1 onwards, how to write paragraph. So before writing the paragraph, we will have to learn how to write it. The tips to write a paragraph. It will be very beneficial or useful for you. So what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences related to the same topic. Paragraph is a group of sentences. Group of sentences means many sentences will be there. Related to the same topic. There should be relation. Suppose your teacher is telling, write a paragraph on a chalk or about a chalk. So you will write 2-3 sentences of chalk, and after that you will write about a pen. So is there any relation? No relation will be there. So it should be related to the same topic. The sentences in a paragraph are so well mixed. The sentences in the paragraph should be well connected, that the whole paragraph reads like a unit of ideas. Or when we read a paragraph, it should be connected. All the sentences in the paragraph should be related to the same topic. There should be connection. Then all the sentences in a paragraph are enjoyed or enjoined by a single thread. Single thread means you cannot tie the sentence. That means relationship should be there. The ideas should be joined. It should be related to the same topic. And the important thing is there should be unity. Unity is the first important and essential quality of a good paragraph. And second thing is that all the matter contained in a paragraph must be related to the same topic. Already I told you. So what are the things we should remember to write a good paragraph? All the sentences should be related to the same topic. There should be connection. Whatever comes to our mind, we cannot write. We will have to think of. When the teacher tells you to write a paragraph, you will take your pen and paper and write. No, not like that. First we have to collect ideas. We have to think again and again about the topic. We will have to write down the points. Then give connection. After writing the paragraph at least 2 to 3 times, you will have to read it and make necessary corrections. Simply we cannot write without thinking, simply take pencil and pen. We are not so efficient. Those who are very efficient also, after they are writing, they read the paragraph 2 to 3 times and make corrections. In order to write a good paragraph, one must devote some time to think over the topic. Already I told you, think. If you have some ideas, you have to think it, develop it, write it. Then you make the final fair copy of the paragraph. So this is how we will have to write the paragraph. One model paragraph is given here. You can see the thing 91 here. So you can see walking. So you can see a boy and girl, they walk together and they have written a paragraph here. The walking is a good aerobic exercise. This is the least strenuous, safest aerobic activity. Strenuous means less stress, no stress. Safest aerobic activity. Walking is the most acceptable exercise for the greatest number of people. It improves the efficiency of the cardiorespiratory system. It prevents heart and circulatory disease. To be effective, walking must be done regularly for 45 to 60 minutes. It is nature's way of tuning you up. So this is all about, see, it will be 50 to 60 words are there. Very simple paragraph, but you see, this all the sentences in the paragraph is related. It is related together. They are written only of walking. See walking, what all things, by walking, what all things we get, how our health improves. See, so it is well connected, well knit together. They have written only on one topic. So now for your homework, this you will have to write it in copy, and for your homework I am going to give you, write a paragraph. Write a paragraph of about 100 words. Not 100 sentences, 100 words. After writing, you will have to count it. 100 words on the following. On the following. Two topics I will be giving you. You will have to write it. 100 words. Number 1, my school. It's a common topic. And second one is my hobby. Hobby means whatever we do in our leisure time, in our free time. Hobby. So these are the two homework I am giving you. Please write it in your rough copy, not in fair copy. You have to write it in rough copy. So the open is my school and my hobby. So today only this is enough for you. I'm concluding it here. The chapter number 18, paragraph writing, chapter number 18. Okay. Thank you for listening me.